Hello guys, welcome to Infinitech YouTube channel. In this video, I will give you Elementor Pro original version for free and show step-by-step guide to install it to your WordPress website. Let's go to video. First you need to download Elementor Pro version. Join this Telegram channel and search Elementor, then you will find Elementor Pro zip file. Download it and open the file. You can find the Telegram channel link in the video description and comments. You will see two zip files. Copy these files to anywhere you can remember. I will drag and drop files to the desktop. Now you need to go to your website's WordPress dashboard. In this menu, go to plugins and add new plugin. Click on Upload plugin. Then select the Elementor free zip file and install it. If you have already installed Elementor, you need to replace it. Again, go to Add Plugins and upload Elementor Pro zip file. After add these two files, go to Plugins and activate Elementor free version. You can fill these details and complete the activation. But now I'm going to skip all of them. Okay, now back to plugins and click Activate on Elementor Pro. After activating it, now you have the Elementor Pro version on your website. Let's go to editor and check Pro version is working or not. As you can see, all the Pro features are enabled and working well. So if you find this video useful, please subscribe to our channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.